This is Erica from Artsy. I saw your question about where to upload your PDF as your digital download. So I'm going to walk you through how to do that real quick. I'm excited you're able to go through and create your PDF. Very exciting. So now what you're going to do is you're going to go to your products, and whichever product you're wanting to turn into a digital download, I'm just going to go ahead and add a new product, but you can do this on your existing products too. So, but you're just inside your product, there's this little click button that says downloadable. So you're going to want to click that. And when you click it, this new section shows up. And this new section is where you can add your file. So I'm going to hit add file. And then right here's this choose file. And I'm going to grab, and then you're just like you're doing images that you would normally do on like your listing, you're going to select images, or you can drop and drag. And I'm going to go ahead and I put a PDF out here. There you go, this charming farm. So you're going to upload your PDF. You're going to see it show up here. You're going to go ahead and insert it, and then it wants you to give it a name. Whatever name you give it is how that's going to show up for the customer in the email they receive for the download, as well as the thank you page at checkout. So, you know, whatever the name, so in this case, like Charming Farm, okay, or whatever you want to name it. And then you just hit add file. Or sorry, actually, I think it just stays. And then, so that was if you wanted to give them multiple files, you can do that. But just go ahead and put that in there. And then you're going to hit save up here. And when you hit save, I can't do it right now because I haven't given it a name and a price, but you'll hit save. That will refresh and your file will be in your account. And you can put in those files most things. So you can put text files, you can put zip files, you can put image files, PDFs. So whatever you need up to 20 meg, you can go ahead and put in that downloadable file. And if you do multiple files, they'll receive those multiple files in their download. Hope this helps. Let me know if you have any more questions. All right, thanks.